Hi everyone, welcome back with another lecture about the flow cytometry. Today this lecture is about how many types of data plot you can find in the flow cytometry, which we are usually using it to analyze the data. If you are new on my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe and keep watching. So let's start today's lecture. By default, this one plot is coming whenever you open the software. At present, I'm going to close this. So go to the file now and click on new protocol to show you how the protocol looks like at the first time once you open the software. This message is coming. It is saying that you want to save the previous protocol or the current protocol which is already open. If you want to save it, you can save it, but at present I don't want to save it. I will click no. Once you click no, one plot is appearing, a round shape structure which we call as a gate. Later on you will see in my coming lecture what is gating and how it is done. At present I'm going to delete it. Select it and click delete on the keyboard. You can drag it to adjust the size. So if you see the mouse cursor, on the left is changing and on the right is changing. It's like black box with the arrows. This is one way to create a dot plot. The other way is to create a dot plot by this clicking this icon. Press OK and adjust the size by dragging it. So this is your dot plot. This is the first plot, and the second plot is the histogram plot. Click on it and press OK. Drag it to the right side, and this is your histogram plot, which has only one axis. On the y-axis there is no parameter. This is the density plot. Click on it, press OK, drag it, adjust the size. So we have three plots: dot plot, histogram and density plot. So if you see the density plot, it looks like same like a dot plot. So what is the difference between these two? Its difference is among the data. Once the data appear, it's different. So to understand this, how can you also understand this is a dot plot or this is a density plot? You can see these icons, they are different. And this is the density plot, and from here I bring the color dot plot. So I'm going to close all of them. And how you can create also, you can go to the plot option at the top and you can use the shortcut control 1 or color dot plot. You can click it, histogram control 2 and density plot control 4. So click on it, press OK, the dot plot properties open, press OK and bring it at the front, drag it, adjust the size. This is your dot plot. If you want to open the histogram plot, you can also open from here, press OK and drag it onto the right side. So this is the second way to create different plots. So this is your density plot now. You can adjust the size either dragging from the right side, from the top, either from the left side or from the bottom. Also you can adjust from the corners. If you move the mouse cursor, you can see it's changing the shape of the mouse cursor. I hope you like today's lecture. Keep watching my channels and watching my lectures. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.